across the wires at Rudd HQ that someone had stolen the gold Logie just before television's Night of Nights. But it would be too conspicuous if I showed up at the Logies, what with all my recent press, appearing in Time, BRW, and Penthouse. I needed a disguise, so I went down to headquarters to see what the Boffins had made for me.
What do you think?
That's the crappiest disguise I've ever seen. You're fired. So we hatched a plan. Kidnap TV's Richard Wilkins and put his beautiful face on my body. Shh, it's me, Ruddy. Everyone had arrived at the Logies, and so had I, in my brilliant disguise. It's great to be here. Look at these snazzy shoes I'm wearing. They're Richard Wilkins, you know. Well, of course they are. I'm Richard Wilkins. I'm Richard Wilkins. With everyone believing I was Big Dicky, I was in. And it didn't take long to track down the Logie thief. That little so-and-so Summers had pinched it. But while he was on stage making a total fool of himself, I got the Logie back. Thanks to yours truly, the show could go on.
Please welcome Richard Wilkins.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How good is Kevin Rudd? Come on, let's hear it for him. And one last thing before I go, I'm wearing a wig.